Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to go over a new feature that we got in a recent update, and it's being able to manually turn on low power mode in your Tesla. We can get access to this by opening up in the little menu option here by clicking on the icon of the car. With our menu open, what we want to do is go to the charging option. And we can see in charging, we now have low power mode right here. So before, automatically your car, once the percentage of battery remaining got down to 20%, it would automatically go into low power mode. And what this does is it's going to turn off things like Sentry Mode, summon standby, keep accessory power on. And that would be like, for instance, my parents, they have a fridge in the trunk of their Model Y that's plugged into the 12 volt back there in the trunk. So it would keep things like that off. Any scheduled preconditioning, and if you have cabin overheat protection on. So these are things that can drain the battery over the course of time. So for instance, if you're going to the airport, you're parking your Tesla in an airport parking lot, you don't maybe necessarily want all of these running and draining your battery while you're flying and going somewhere else, so that if you're in low power mode the entire time, you get back to the airport and you might be in a better position in terms of having more of your battery remaining. So we now have the ability to manually turn on low power mode. You no longer have to wait for it to get down to that 20% threshold. Also, if you're in auto mode, where it has been historically, when you get down to that 20% threshold and it automatically goes into low power mode, you can adjust this threshold from 20% all the way down to as low as 10% if you want it at a low number than where the auto threshold is already sitting at that 20%. So there can certainly be some use cases out there where you might want to just keep your Tesla in low power mode so that it doesn't drain the battery with any of these additional features while you're away from your vehicle, and you'll be in a better position in terms of the percentage of battery left when you get back to your car if you're looking to preserve that battery percentage while your car is sitting in a parking lot.
Thank you to Joa for supporting this video. Please consider supporting my channel by clicking the Joa link down in the description to shop their premium Tesla products and accessories. Using my Joa link will apply my exclusive discount code thanks to any items that you may be interested in. Thank you.